All right, Tuesday, here we go. I know it's not Tuesday, but I'm going to be putting 4 workouts out today, and so that way you've got something for today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we got a lot of great stuff going on, so let's get right into it today. Today we got a warm-up. We're going to be doing 2 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 donkey kicks, 30-second plank hold, 25 butt kickers, and then 10 plank balance. So we're only doing 2 rounds. So this is going to be a little bit longer, really get that heart rate up, really get going and ready. We've got a skill and a workout for you today. So with those high knees, get everything moving, get those knees up as high as you can, stay on the toes, and get those arms pumping along with it. And so the more you're able to keep that motion going, that'll help you get your heart rate up, get a little sweat going, get those lungs burning a little bit. If you need to take away the impact, then just do a standing march here. And same thing, really bring your knees up as high as you can each time. Still use your arms and legs together on these to really get the body moving. After the 25 high knees, we've got 10 donkey kicks. So you're going to be on all fours here, and you're going to bend at the knee as you push that leg up behind you, and then switch legs and just alternate back and forth. Right plus left equals 1 on all of these. If you need to go from more of a standing position instead of getting down on the ground, you can do the same thing, just leaning against a front of a couch or a chair and get that same motion going. Bend at the knee and kick that leg up behind you each time, really squeezing that glute. After the 10 donkey kicks, you're going to do a 30-second plank hold. So either count in your head, grab a clock or a watch with a second hand, whatever you need to count about that 30 seconds is what we're looking for. And so hold from your forearms, keep that butt down, and just breathe as you go here. If you need to do this one from your knees, that's okay. Do the best that you can do. Even if you need to get on the toes and just go up and down a little bit here for 30 seconds, that's okay too. The more you're on your toes, that's really going to work the core here. You can also do this from a platform in front of the couch and just stay right in there in that same motion, really keeping the core engaged the entire time. After your 30-second plank hold, you've got 25 butt kickers. So really get those heels to the butt as much as you can. And same thing, quick feet, get those arms and legs moving together. And again, if you need to take it back, just like in the high knees, just do a standing march, but bring in your heel to your butt each time. Finally, we've got 10 plank balance. So again, from your forearms, you're going to be just going back and forth and really getting those shoulders opened up and loosened up. Again, right plus left equals 1 rep. You can also do this one off your knees too. And same thing, just work on keeping that plank position or the platform, same way. And just back and forth. Remember, the higher the platform, the less the resistance, the easier the exercise. So 2 rounds, 25 high knees, 10 donkey kicks, 30-second plank hold, 25 butt kickers, and then 10 plank balance. For the skill today, we are going to do 2 max effort holds. We're going to do a right side plank hold, rest about a minute, and then a left side plank hold. So on that plank hold, you're just going to be on your forearm, keep that hip off the ground as much as you can, and just hold it for as long as possible. If you need to go down to a knee here, that's okay, same thing. Just keep that hip off the ground. After you get done, you can go, take about a minute or so rest and then go to the other side. And make sure you time this. Plug this into Beyond the Whiteboard. We will do this again at some point. And so the more you're able to keep track, you're able to see that progress and see how much better you're getting along the way. You can also do either one of these where you're leaning against that platform or the couch And that's, same thing goes. The higher the platform, less the resistance, the easier it's going to be. So skill, max effort plank hold, go as hard as you can there and really fight to hold it. Like most people can do more than they think they can do. Remember, your mind controls the body. So mental toughness and you'll get faster and better. And that's what we're looking for. For the workout today, we've got a 4-minute AMRAP. And we're going to be doing that 3 times. You're going to take a 1-minute rest in between each AMRAP, and you are going to restart at the beginning for each new round. So 4 minutes, you're going to be doing 5 curtsy lunges, 10 alternating crunches or bicycle crunches, then 5 pike push-ups, and then 10 Superman. So starting with that curtsy lunge, you're standing in a tall position, keep those feet right underneath your hips, and bring your right leg behind your left, getting that knee all the way to the ground, and then switch to the other side. Again, right plus left equals 1 on these. And then just go again, back and forth, really get that good range of motion. If you're not able to get your knee quite all the way to the ground, but you can still get some good range of motion here, just do the best you can. You can also do this just holding on to something, same way, and this will just help decrease the resistance a little bit. And again, just get the best that you can on that range of motion with those hips. This will really work those IT bands and the outside of the hips here. Next, we've got 10 alternating crunches. So you're going to be flat on your back, and you're going to bring your right elbow to your left knee, and then left elbow to the right knee. And just going back and forth here for all 10 reps. And really working the obliques and those abs. You can also do the same thing from a standing position where you're bringing your right elbow to your left knee, left elbow to your right knee. And same thing, right plus left equals 1 on these. Then we've got 5 pike push-ups. So you're going to be in that pike or that down dog position, bringing your head all the way to the ground and then push away. Right in there. From a platform, same thing. We're going to work the lats and triceps a little bit more than in a traditional push-up where it's more chest and shoulders. And finally, 10 Superman. So on that Superman, you're going to be flat in your stomach and you're going to bring your chest and thighs off the ground and right back down. And of course, at the top, you can always do this just standing and just push those hips forward, really squeeze that butt, squeeze the core, and then let go. So 3 4-minute AMRAPs with a 1-minute rest in between each one. You are going to restart at the beginning of the AMRAP with each new round. Count those rounds. Count all the reps in those rounds at the end. Make a mark on something. Grab a piece of paper, a handful of pennies, whatever you need to keep track of the number of rounds you do. You're going to be doing 5 curtsy lunges, 10 alternating crunches, 5 pike push-ups, and then 10 Superman. So have fun with this one. It's a good one today. With that intensity we can put in, knowing that we're only going to go for 4 minutes at a time, getting that 1-minute rest, you can really pick it up and go hard and fast in this workout. So have fun with it, and I'll have another workout here in just a bit. So thanks a lot. Coach Skip signing off.